Hey everybody, long time no see. As you can imagine, things have been a whirlwind for us. I had hoped to keep you updated more on every step of the way, but of course things just get overwhelming and you cut out every possible thing that you can cut out. And so for me, that was making videos. But thankfully things are slowing down a little bit. So I am going to update you on all the happenings and let you know where we're at, because you can see we're not at home. So we had a whirlwind of about 2 weeks or maybe a little bit more where we just pulled out all the stops and we got the house completely empty and then did everything that we needed to do to get the house on the market. It was a crazy 2 weeks. I hope it's something that we never have to repeat. But man, does it feel good to be done with that. The house went on the market on Wednesday. And let's see, today, I can't even keep track of days, guys. Today is Friday. So yesterday, it was Wednesday evening that it went on the market. And so yesterday was the first day of showings. And of course, the one main weekend that we want our house to, be seen and to hopefully sell fast. We're having snowpocalypse here in Portland. We have had pretty much no significant snowfall for the entire winter. We had one day where we got a little dusting, but decided to have winter, all in one weekend this weekend while we're trying to show our house. So we're not getting a lot of viewings of the house. People just are not going to drive in this weather, which is a little bit disappointing. We've had a couple that have reserved a spot. You reserve a spot and we get a little text message letting us know the half an hour window that they're going to be there. And then they cancel and we assume, it's because of the weather and all that. But even though we haven't had a lot of viewings, we actually have had a lot of interest and potential offers. Nothing official yet, but there's talk of several offers coming through. So we have a deadline of Sunday night for that. Our realtor is telling the other realtors, saying get your offers in by Sunday night, and I think we'll have at least 2 as of now, possibly even as much as 4, and then we still have today, Saturday, and then all of Sunday till 8 p.m. that we possibly could get more people coming through. Things are supposed to kind of start thawing out on Sunday, so I'm hoping that we'll get a few more viewings coming through then when people kind of feel like they can drive. But I still think we're going to get some offers and hopefully something that will be good. The way I kind of am hoping things play out is that the people that are making the trek to come to see it in this weather are really the serious people. And if it was a beautiful sunny day, maybe we'd have, lots more people coming through, but it would be a lot more fair weather home buyers and not as serious of buyers. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. And there's been enough talk that I think we'll at least get some offers. So I'm really interested to see how that goes. But hopefully we'll know by Monday if there's anything that we're going to be able to accept. So as far as the last week, I told you guys that we were going to be going to a hotel for when my husband was refinishing the floors, and we ended up doing that, but we still had so much to do that every single day we were at the hotel, I came back to the house and worked the entire day. So it wasn't quite as relaxing as I had hoped it would be, but it was still nice to, have a place away from the house to stay. And then once we got the house completely ready for showing, we knew that we could not bring the children in there. We kind of had this idea, and I don't know why we thought this, that we could all just camp out and then, get out of the house for showings. But first of all, in this weather, there's no way we can just be coming and going from the house with all the children and try to pack up all their things and get them out of the house. Just not feasible. So what we ended up doing is my husband is staying at the house and he's packing up every time. He just has a little bit of stuff there and packing it up every time that there's a showing. And we are all staying, the rest of us are staying at my in-laws' house. They have a trailer, which is what I am in right now. And it is sleeping 4 of us, me and the 3 youngest kids. And then my mom and the 2 older kids are sleeping in the house. So it's a full house over here, and it's a lot, but we're making it work. It's better, I think, than trying to be at our house and packing up every time there's a showing. Basically, it's like we're camping in the snow, which is a challenge, but it's working. We got all stocked up with food and everything that we were going to need. because this entire weekend we're not going to try to drive anywhere. The roads are really icy. I hate driving in the snow. So we're just kind of hunkered down and really hoping that things do thaw out on Sunday like they're supposed to. And I think by Monday, things should be pretty clear. It's going to change to rain. And I think we'll be through the worst of it. But for now, for the weekend, we are hunkered down. The kids are having way more screen time than I like them to have, eating way more junk food. You know, both grandmas are here and grandpa. And they're just, you know, being spoiled. There's not a ton to do. It's hard to play in the snow because it's really icy. It's like ice pellets coming down right now, it seems like. And it's not super fun snow to play in. And then you have to do the whole getting all bundled up for the snow and then being wet and cold and crying and all that. So we're not doing a lot of playing in the snow, trying to just play games and do indoor stuff, a lot of reading books, but a lot of screen time as well. Watching lots of Disney Plus, lots of movies, just trying to make it through. I figure as soon as we get to our new house, we can go on like a month screen fast and force the kids to play outside every day, all day. But for now, we're just trying to survive. I'll give you a real quick 360-degree tour of the trailer here. There's a nice double bed. There's the front door. We got another bed that Levi's sleeping on. It turns into a table, but of course we need the sleeping space, so we turned it into a bed. There's my bed over here, another window, and then my kitchen. I'll show you which Instant Pot accessories I have. I brought my Instant Pot air fryer and my Instant Pot coffee maker. My mother-in-law has an Instant Pot that I will use if I go into the kitchen. I haven't brought it in here because I just don't have room for hardly anything in here. And then also we have the heater running, but I can't run the microwave or the air fryer with the heater running also. So I just have to turn off the heater before I cook something. So it is functional. We are surviving. It's nice. It's nice to have a place. But man, it will be so exciting when we get to move into the new house. So things are kind of just up in the air as to how long we're going to stay here. Obviously, we're going to stay through the weekend because we're not going anywhere in the snow. But after we accept an offer on the house, we kind of don't want to bring the kids back because we worked really hard and did all the painting. And we just bringing 5 kids back in there is just going to be torturous to try to keep them from messing up anything. So we're still evaluating what we're going to do after this. So we're just in survival mode. We're going to make it. That's what's going on with us. Here at the end, I will put in some footage of shopping for different staging items. I got to go spend a bunch of money on cute things, curtains and a table and chairs, and a bunch of little decor things to decorate a little bit so the house wasn't completely empty. So I have a little footage of that, and then I'll try to put in some pictures of the house so you can see how beautiful it looks. It's never looked as beautiful as it does now. We're about to head into Target. We have a list of things that we need to get for staging our house for going on the market. Our house is nearly empty right now, but the realtor said it'd be good to get a few things just to, make it look a little bit homey. So see how much we can get at Target. Then we also could go to Bed Bath & Beyond, which is close. There's also Costco. So we're going to play it by ear. First off, Target. You got a race car? I got Levi and Charity, my helpers today. I love these little flowers. I think I'm going to get one. These ones are pretty cute. Those are cute too. But I really like these.
Are you going to get it?
Yeah. You think that would look pretty in our house?
Yes.
I think so. So the colors of our bathroom are kind of like oceany and like a greenish blue, mostly blue, with a tint of green on the walls. And I was thinking this would look really cute for the bath mat because it's kind of like sand at the beach. And then I was thinking about a soap dispenser like this because it's kind of like sea glass. I think I like that one. We'll try it. We can always return stuff and try something else if it doesn't work.
Right there.
What?
No, but it's right there.
Oh, you see the slippers?
No,
Oh, toothbrushes. Yeah, I see those toothbrushes too. They're so giant on the wall. Thinking this shower curtain. Are you sleeping? would be great. That
Pig.
that goes together pretty well, right? I thought this would look really cute on the counter because the counter is nice gray. Let's see.
Don't drop it.
Oh yeah, thanks. Thanks for the tip. I found a lot of stuff at Target, and then I dropped off the kids at Grandma's house to play for a couple hours, and I'm headed into Bed Bath & Beyond, see what I can find here. This is the only thing I ended up picking up at Bed Bath & Beyond. I thought it would be cute, like in the middle of the table with a bowl of fruit or something on it. So it's only $5.99. Figured I'd pick it up. So one thing that we're going to do is we're going to buy a table. We, the realtor said we should have like a dining room table in the dining room, but our table, it kind of makes the dining room look small, and it's old and it's been used by 5 kids. So it's not great. So we figured we would pick up something not too terribly expensive that looks cute from probably IKEA, because in the new house that we're hoping to get, there's a lot of spots where we could put a table in the corner. So having an extra table would actually come in handy. So I think I'm going to go ahead and drive up to IKEA right now since I don't have the kids, see what I see, and we'll go from there. So this is the point where I completely stopped taking any video. I did end up going to IKEA and finding a table and 4-chair set that wasn't too expensive and looked nice. I took it home and got it put together late at night, and that was exciting. I was already stressed out and tired, exhausted, and I was like, oh, you know what I should do? I should put together an IKEA table and chair set. That always boosts people's moods. Anyways, it actually turned out pretty well. They made it pretty easy, and I got to borrow my husband's power tools, and that made it even easier. So it all worked out. And then I also was able to find a curtain for the bathroom, a curtain for the kitchen, what else? Oh, a rug for the kitchen. I got a standing toilet paper holder for the bathroom, and a few other things. So what I'm going to try to do now is take you through a 3D tour of the house, and that way you can see where all the things ended up in the house and just how it looks now. So here is coming in the front door, and I'll do my best not to make you guys seasick. This is kind of crazy. But here's the living room. We just left our piano and my cute plant that Renee got me for Christmas. Thought that looked pretty there. Then there's the table and chair set that I put together. I'm very proud of that. On the table, of course, I have my fruit basket and then the little placemat thing that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, I just went into the bathroom. All right, so here's the bathroom. There's the curtain I found. I didn't have a lot of options at Target, and so that is what I ended up with. There's the shower curtain that I picked up at Target. I think it's pretty cute. Let's see if I can get a better view. There's my husband's beautiful tile work in the bathroom. We put a nice bright blue on the wall. There's a better view. So there's the little rug there. And so you can see I kind of went for an ocean theme with the bright blue, the sand color, and then there's the gray of the tile in the shower that's kind of like rock, and the gray concrete countertop. And then the bright white, I like that for the trim and like the towel and everything. So I thought the bathroom turned out really cute. I loved that. In the bedrooms, there's not much to see in the bedrooms. They're pretty empty. And then the other bedroom is the kind of gray blue or country blue color. Now into the dining room and kitchen. There's the kitchen. So those are the curtains I grabbed for the kitchen. I thought they looked cute with the dark gray countertop and the dark gray floor. So my husband refinished the wood floors, and they just look so nice. I mean, they're not perfect because they're original from, 1954, but refinished, they just look super nice. So there's the dining room again, and we'll look through here to the kitchen. There's my cute pink flowers on the counter. There's the rug I picked out for the kitchen. That little jar looked great on the counter with the gray accent. One of my mom's little plants. I'm so bummed this towel got put on the stove. I picked out this cute little decorative towel and had it on there, and someone went in last minute and threw one of the regular towels on there. Wasn't supposed to be there. That's a candle on the little counter. So that should give you an idea of what the house looks like right now and everything we've done to it. Obviously, we have done a ton to improve things. I really liked this view of like from the kitchen to the dining room. I think that looks really cute. Anyways, that is our house. We worked on it a ton and we are very happy with how everything turned out. And we're just hoping that it's exactly what somebody is looking for. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for coming along on this journey with us. And I'll see you again real soon in another video.